abarukushubura enyama hamwe n'emiguto mu kyanga kya Ankole hamwe na Lyantonde bashomesibwa kubine kwongera omutindo aha mishuburo yabo. Okushomesa oku kubira aha mbuga nkuru za district ya Mbarara muri Kamukuzi kandi kwebembirwa abajekyerwa okurwa Ministry y'ebyobushubuzi amakoro hamwe n'ebibini by'abegisire.
So we expect that Ankole will have a very strong cluster which will assimilate to the structure at the national level and be able to discuss standards. We want proper standards to be disseminated to all abattoirs.
Abarukubaga bashabirwa kubaga kurunje obutashisha mpu ezirukubasa kuruga mu entasi endijo.
First of all, to ensure that all the leather is properly collected and aggregated for us to be able to improve and add value to them and be able to earn revenue from that leather which is being wasted. We have gone around all abattoirs and we have seen that they lack training.
Abetabira omushomo ogu nibagera ngu baganyirwe mu kyango ngo kandi biguceramisha kutandika kukora.
Abattoirs twashanga twine omugisha muhango okubasa kwegita nkabeterine empwezo twaziha twaiza kuratira ebiragiro byo kuzibagake aha mutindo gurukwetingwa then tuzirundane nka cooperative
abandi abantu bono kukikola enshonga y'omutindo n'enshonga y'amaani abo kuba engite kuruga heyo yani ekire yaho omutindo omuntu logically naza kugura yaheyo.
So Burundi twakozise kuri omonyo sharawa nobaga entemwengo omuzo wanimunga shanka wiki abantu batakoze isi ogasitiro.
Amakoraga gashakwa Ali Waswa.